Visual Studio is a robust, feature-rich integrated development environment for Microsoft, designed to support a variety of programming languages and frameworks. It's widely used for building applications across mobile, desktop, and web platforms. With its array of advanced features, it enables developers to efficiently write, debug, test, and deploy code. While Visual Studio offers extensive capabilities, it's important to note that it is not a free tool. Visual Studio offers different licensing options, including a Community Edition, free for individual developers, open-source projects, academic use, and small teams, and professional or enterprise editions that require a paid license. These premium editions come with additional features and support, making them ideal for larger teams and enterprise-level development.